Alright, Steve, here's 347 small block Ford. Give you a description of combinations. Got the Holley EFI manifold, Holley Terminator X MAX, or Serpentine belt on the front. Make sure they don't need charge for you. Custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got a set of bar ass cascades. Rear sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3400, 401 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 412, peak horsepower 424. So we're rated 425. It's got a front end on it, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature. Highly recommend watching it all. On your engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs you need from us. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That will take you to some more tech stuff. So recommend watch all this. Have a great day.